Hey everybody, welcome back to In the Know with Zach and the marketing team.
Hey!
Well, the weather's getting warm outside, and that means it's air conditioning season. If you're installing a new air conditioner or just replacing old components, don't forget your EPCO AC whip. When you buy an AC whip from EPCO, you're getting everything you need in one package. You have non-metallic conduit, connectors, and conductors. The conduit can be 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch, conductors 8 gauge or 10 gauge, and the connectors will match. It's everything you need, all UL listed and conveniently packaged in one. We offer these standard in 4-foot and 6-foot lengths and with die-cast connectors, but if you need something special like a custom length or a different connector, just give us a call and let us know what you're looking for. So if you're a sales rep, do your best to get these stocked in your local distribution center. And if you're a contractor, definitely pick one of these up. They're always handy to have. And as always, they're UL listed. Stop sweating the small stuff. If you need a good product to keep you cool, think EPCO. Check out these and our other products online at engproducts.com.